Yesterday, we learned that the animals has two types. We learned two types of animals. We have domestic animals and we have wild animals. Okay, domestic animals are the animals that live in our house, okay, as a pet or in the farm. Okay, they need our help. We take care of them. Okay, so domestic animals are the animals that can live in our home as a pet or at the farm, like dog, cat, horse. Okay, wild animals, the second type is the wild animals. Wild animals are animals that cannot live in our house or in the farm. They live freely in the nature. بيعيشوا لحالهم بالطبيعة. Okay, so domestic can live with us. Wild cannot live with us. They don't need our help. They can eat alone. They can take care of themselves. They don't need our help. Let us review these slides before we start exercise on the book. So domestic and wild animals. Animals can be domestic or wild. Domestic animals are animals that live in a human's farm or house. They can live in our house as pets, like dogs and cats, and they can live in the farm as a horse, a donkey, chicken, goat, sheep, etc. Okay, so these are the animals called domestic because they can live with a human. Okay, we take care of them, they need us. While the other type is wild animals. Wild animals are animals that live freely in the nature. بيعيشوا لحالهم بالطبيعة. They can take care of themselves. Okay, they don't need us. ما بحاجة لنا. They can take care of themselves. They can live alone in the forest. Okay, so now we can start exercises. Bring your science books. Open your science books page. Okay. Okay, everyone, open your books, page 54. I'll give you time to prepare your books. Open your books, page 54. Yalla, I'm waiting. Open your books, page 54, to start solving exercises. So our lesson is about wild and domestic animals. As we said, that domestic animals are animals that can live with us at home as a pet or in the farm. Okay, wild animals are animals that cannot live with us. Let us read. So our lesson is about wild or domestic animals. As we said, some animals are wild and the others are domestic. What are the differences between wild and domestic? Let us now observe. By observing these two, we will reach to the difference. Yalla. Here we have a farm. We have animals in the farm. Let us solve the question A. Name 3 animals in the farm. Who can name for me 3 animals in the farm by raising your hands? Yalla. Who wants to name for me 3 animals in the farm? Okay, yalla, Maryam. Maryam, can you name for me 3 animals in the farm?
In the farm, the animals.
Only one by one, please, everyone. Wait a minute. Okay, only Maryam wants to talk. Maryam, can you name for me 3 animals in the farm?
Yes.
Yeah, look at the farm and name for me 3 animals.
Dog.
Dog.
The cat.
Yes, here is the cat. Yes, the cat in the picture, no, but we can put a cat. Okay, in the picture, other than dog, look at the animals.
Dog, cat, horse.
Horse, excellent.
And sheep.
Sheep, excellent.
And
thank you, Mariam. That's Julia. Julia, can you name for me 3 animals?
okay.
Name for me any 3 animals. Dog.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Horse.
Horse, excellent. Great job. Ali Hamza, can you name for me 3 animals in the farm?
أنا بدي أقول اللي بيعضه.
عدوا اوكي يلا that part. Okay, name for me 3 animals.
dog, جيجي لأنه بتنقط.
خلاص بقى.
In English,
يلا.
what means Jesh in English?
chicken.
Chicken, excellent. Maribel, can you name for me one more animal? Can you repeat?
Rooster.
Yes, rooster, excellent. الديك يعني excellent. Great job, Maribel. So name it 3 animals. Now I want you to write with me, okay? Write animals in the farm. We write the name of 3 animals. Sheep, we have a sheep. We have a chicken. We have a cow. We have horse. We have etc. Okay, so they only want 3 names. So I want you to copy this on your book. Animals in the farm like sheep, chicken, cow, donkey, rooster, pig, rabbit. Okay, let us solve it all the question, then you can copy, okay? Can you now help me finishing this question? Now, part B. Do they need our care? If we have them in the farm, do they need our care? هن بحاجة لاهتمامنا? Yes or no? Do they need for our care? Who wants to answer me? Do animals in farm need our care? I will unmute you. Please, if you know your answer, answer. Do these animals need our care? هن بحاجة لنا؟ Yes, Maribel?
Yes.
Yes, excellent. These animals need for our care. هن بحاجة لاهتمامنا. Care mean اهتمام, okay? So we will say yes. Excellent. Part C. Do they live freely? Ronnie?
Yes, miss.
Do they live freely? هن بيعيشوا لحالهم أو with us? They live freely or no? Freely يعني لحالهم. Do they live freely? Yes or no?
No.
No, excellent. So they do not live freely. They live with a human in the farm or in the house. Like the dog and cat, they can live in the house. Excellent. Part D. Do I benefit from them? Benefit معناتها بستفيد. Okay. علي, look at these animals يا علي. Do I benefit from them? أنا بستفيد منهم. Do I benefit from them? Excellent. I can benefit. In the coming lesson, we will see which animal God give us. Excellent يا علي.
Cow give milk.
Excellent.
Milk.
Chicken.
Chicken give us egg.
Egg. Excellent.
Sheep.
Sheep give us wool.
Excellent. هذا coming lesson حناخده coming lesson. Excellent يا علي. صدقنا. Great job. So, do I benefit from them? Yes. Now, Fatwa, the last part. Complete the following sentence. Animals that live in the farm are called wild animals or domestic animals?
Live in the farm.
Domestic or wild?
Or wild.
Domestic.
Excellent, excellent. So animals that live in farm or in our house like dog and cat are domestic animals. Great job.
Domestic. عم تقول domestic هي مش domestic.
فدوى فدوى.
سلام.
Say it again. Domestic. Again. Domestic. Domestic. Okay, so these are domestic. Okay, so these are domestic. So the same idea that we took it yesterday, but here by solving these questions. Okay, the same questions, this one by writing them. So animals in the farm like sheep, chicken, cow. These animals need our care. Okay, نحن بنربيهم. Okay, so they need our care. Care معناتها اهتمام. Okay, they do not live freely. They live in our farm, right? I benefit from them. In the coming lesson, I will see how I can benefit from them. Ali told us something that the cow give us milk, that chicken give us eggs. So I can benefit from them. So the answer is yes. Okay, complete the following sentence. This is page 54, okay, everyone? This is page 54. Here's the page for the students who are joining. Okay, so animals that live in the farm are called domestic, as we said yesterday. All the animals that live in farm or in our house, like pets, are called domestic animals, okay? Now finish from the domestic animals. I'll give you time to copy before we start with the wild animals.
Teacher,
Yes,
teacher,
yes, Mariam.
copy in the book. Oh,
These are on the book, page 54.
in
Here's
the
the
book.
page.
Oh,
Yes, page 54. I'll write the page again here, page 54. Okay? And this is page 55.
okay. 54, 55.
Yes, 54, 55. Now we are solving 54.
أنا
okay?
خلصت farm.
You solved them?
Yes.
Excellent. So animals that live in farm like sheep, chicken, cow, donkey,
Wait.
pig, horse, these are all called domestic. Okay? I take care of them. They need my care. أنا بهتم فيهم. هن بحاجة لاهتمامي. Okay? They do not live freely. Freely means لحالهم. Okay? ما بيعيشوا لحالهم. They live with us in the farm or in the home. Yes?
I have finished.
You finished, excellent. One more minute, 2 more minutes, and we'll start with page 55. Start observing page 55, okay? Okay, so they need our help and they cannot live freely. ما فين يعيشوا لحالهم. They need our help, okay, everyone? Do I benefit from them? Yes, I benefit from them. As Ali said for us, they give us, cow give us milk, chicken give us eggs. We'll take them in details in the coming lesson. Yeah, take 2 minutes to copy them before we start with page 55.
Help us, dog. The dog helped me.
The dog helped me, yes. The dog guards the house. It can also help the blind people. Do you know that? Blind معناتها that can see, that cannot see, it can help him to walk. Okay, let us now continue page 55 and then I will give you more time to copy, okay? So let us observe page 55. Here we see animals, okay? Part A, name 3 animals in the forest. Riyad, can you name for me 3 animals in the forest? Yeah, look at the forest and name for me 3 animals in the forest. يلا.
بس أنا خلصت.
Excellent.
بعد عندي من هيديك المعيدة.
Okay, but can you help me here now? Name 3 animals in the forest. Look at the forest and name for me 3 animals.
لك بدك تحل. Name 3 animals from this one. From the one. Okay.
مش خلصت.
لا بعرف انك خلصت. بلشنا بصفحة جديدة هلا.
لحظة
ما بدك تكتب شيء، ماما عم تسألك.
I'm asking you just to help me solving.
Name 3 animals in the forest. نقي لها 3 animals in the forest. ما بتعرفهم انتم. نقي لها اللي بدك اياه.
Tiger.
Tiger.
باي.
Other than tiger.
لا ما تعمل ليف. يلا. ايه تايجر بعدين. يلا رياض تطلع فيها بعدين.
One more animal. Give me one more animal. What do we call this big one?
Monkey.
Monkey. Excellent. Thank you, Riyad. Thank you, Riyad.
شو عم تقول؟
Guys.
ما في شيء اسمه غوريلا قصدك. غوريلا.
Thank you, Riyad. I only want 3. Mariam, can you name for me 3 animals, yeah, Mariam?
Teacher.
Yes.
I have a dog. I have a dog toys.
toy. Excellent. Okay, can you name for me 3 animals? Look at the forest and name for me 3 animals.
Okay.
Yeah, look.
I finished.
Excellent. Yeah, Mariam, look at the picture and name for me 3 animals. 3 animals. Any 3 animals you want.
Monkey
Monkey, excellent.
is my best.
You love monkeys?
Yes, I love all my monkeys.
Okay. Ronnie, can you name for me more animals?
Yes.
Name for me more animals in the forest. Name for me.
Unicorn.
Yes?
Unicorn.
Unicorn. This is not a unicorn.
Yes.
طيب هيدي شو؟
Giraffe. Lion.
Excellent. Lion. We don't have lion, but we can say lion because lions also live in the forest. Yes, Julia. Julia, can you name for me one animal that lives here? Julia, can you name for me one animal that lives in the forest?
What you say?
Can you name for me animals that live in the forest? Any animal you want. Name for me any animals that live in the forest.